question is that a stand, a grove, a wood, or a forest?
It doesn't go back very far.
It's not a forest.
It is a strip, a very, very long strip.
Right. So is it a stand of trees?
A line. It's a line of trees.
Here's a line of trees.
There.
It's a strip of trees.
I'm curious about how many trees constitute a forest. How many trees constitute a wood, and how many trees constitute a stand?
I guess it depends on where you're at.
Is there some difference between a stand and a grove?
These are very important questions that we need answers to. Please comment down below.
What's that up ahead?
A car.
Some road construction going on here.
And it's supposed to be put in a highway, and so they brought in, let me see, there's a guy, if you look to your left, there's like a, you'll see in a minute, one of those backhoes, I guess. And they were digging up those things, or putting them in. Keep going. Go straight. No.
What do you mean?
Where you going?
I'm going to park the truck someplace where...
No, park it up by the daylilies.
I don't want to park it on the road.
Everybody else parks on the road.
Fine. What is today? April the 18th?
Yes.
Saturday.
Is it Saturday?
It's Saturday,
April 18th. All right. So this area behind me is an area that's under construction for a new highway spur that's going to come from over there beyond that tree line and connect with another section of highway way over on the other side of that tree line. And so a few years ago they started getting rid of all the houses in this area, and some of the flowers that were in the yards of those various houses are still here, and well, it's an opportunity to grab those up and rescue them before they get turned into highway.
Actually,
Right over here we have some daylilies. I have no idea what kind of daylilies these are. Are these old-fashioned orange? Are they the yellow ones? Are they pink ones? Are they red ones?
doesn't
no
matter.
idea.
We can still eat them.
Yeah, we can still eat them. No idea whatsoever.
Probably
So,
orange. I can't remember.
yeah, they might be orange, but
Possibly.
in any case, I wanted to come along and get some of these out before they go bye-bye forever. And who knows, it might be a variety that I don't have in my collection yet. So.
I have gloves.
And here,
I thought you'd get 2 buckets and 2 picks, and
loosen them up. Huh?
I was hoping you'd bring 2 buckets and 2 picks, and I could help.
Oh, 2 picks. I think
Or
it's 2
whatever
picks.
that is, or shovels.
I'm going deaf in my old age. All right. This is the scourge of this region right here. Right there.
Stickers.
Can you get a shot of that? Yep, that is sticker grass. So this is the scourge of this area right here. It's a kind of a sticker grass. That's one of the seeds. And I don't want to import any of these. Ouch. Along with the flowers that I'm trying to move. So I should have worn gloves, huh?
Leather gloves.
I have some in the truck actually. We'll get those. Yeah. I think a dozen plants or so will be fine.
Aww.
Yeah, just a sampling.
But what if we really like them and then we come back and these are all gone?
If we really like them, then we'll just propagate them from the dozen plants that we get.
That's true. They grow like weeds. How do you get the grass out?
Once you knock the dirt out, you can find the grass, pull the grass out.
How do you get the grass out?
Tap it against the side of your palm.
Oh. See, you're better at this than I am. I was playing with dirt. Oh, then you broke that through. Well, maybe I might come back more. I was hoping we'd see what they were before you...
Yeah, I was really hoping we'd have enough time to see what kind they were before they got this far in the project. But if they're gonna come through and demolish this area soon.
They probably drove the equipment up the little driveway there, and
Yeah.
which is right
Right next to it. Yeah.
This is where somebody's car would be parked, and they have a little flower, maybe some edging.
Well, yeah, this is somebody's house a long time ago. That's at least a good dozen or so. There you go. Rescued daylilies. Let's get them back here in the truck.
I looked, they're probably just orange, but...
Well, we'll find out in a couple months what they are. If they put on flowers this year. If they don't put on flowers this year, we'll have to wait until next year to find out what we got. All right, there's some more plants out there that we can rescue. I think I saw some. I think I saw some yarrow down the road a bit.
By your favorite store?
Let's go take a look. See if it's still there.
You know, like.
Okay, so it's been a day or so since we went out and rescued these daylily plants. And we've just had them soaking in this bucket of water for the last couple of days. I've had other things I have to do in between then and now, but now I've got a spare moment. I'm going to go ahead and get these guys planted out here inside of the nursery area. And we'll let them grow. Hopefully they'll make some flowers this year. We can find out what we rescued. I built a new compost pile. All kinds of stuff to throw into it. Here, I think. Start right about there. Oh yeah, this ground is nice and soft here. Come around. A little border bed there. Soil is so loose and fluffy. Oh my. All right. Start back here. take a moment to express my appreciation for the 13th century Phoenician expedition to the Far East that provided us with this wonderful vegetable that we can all enjoy today. And that's all I have for you today. So, once again, thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, leave your comments down below, subscribe to the channel, and bang that notification bell. And I will catch you next time.